Now here's a car that'll get some attention. What a beauty, 1958 Pontiac Bonneville two-door hardtop, and listen to this, tri-power car. So 3 2-barrels and the 370 V8 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission and nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC's been added, AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Take a look at the chrome and bright work on the front end of this. Headlight bezels, chrome bumper, of course the Bonneville scribe on the hood. Star Mist silver and turquoise poly. So paint code in this car, WNN. And boy, does it have a nice shine to it. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Wide white wall radial tires, Pontiac wheel covers on the steel wheels. And you want to see some more bright work, take a look down the passenger side of this car. Little touch-up spot right there in the paint. Don't get me wrong, overall the paint in this car, very, very nice. Just one little spot that's been touched up there. Great body style. Obviously, you're not going to see a lot of these at your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local car shows, and you want to talk about chrome and bright work on the interior. Look at that dash. So teal interior. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood at that tri-power setup. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Check out the chrome in the rear of the bumper. It does have Flowmasters on it. Good sounding car. Look at the underside pics too. Take your time looking through those at how clean the underside of this car is. Very nicely restored. It's going to come with a shop manual as well as showroom brochure. If you like Pontiacs, Bonnevilles, maybe 58s in general, great year from GM. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You know somebody that might like this car, go ahead and share this video also. And as you can see, up and down the driver's side, it's standing tall and looking good also. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Just bright work wherever you look on this car with the chrome, even into the sparkle in the carpet. And yes, that's the way that would have came back in 1958. So we kind of have a combo vinyl and cloth interior. Check out that armrest. Of course, that would go up and down on that rear seat. Brakes in the car, 90% in the front, 80% in the rear. Technician that drove the car dries out very nice. Fires right up. And again, AC controls underneath the dash right there. Like I said, talk about bright work and chrome in the dash. Oh, this one sounds good too. Dash looks good. Nice throttle response. Headliner looking good. Man, you want to take home some trophies, have some fun? Here's your car. And listen. Sounds good, doesn't it? All right, let me slip up to the front. Let's get this hood open. We're going to check out that power plant. And then, like I said, Jason will take it for a drive. Stick around to the end of the video. All right, underside of the hood and engine bay. And of course, the engine bay looks as good as the rest of the car. All the way to the radiator. Condenser. The power brakes. Looks like newer master cylinder and booster. Power steering. Of course, modern air with the 134A setup. Wow. It's a beauty, top to bottom, inside and out. 1958 Pontiac Bonneville 2-door hardtop. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1958 Pontiac Bonneville. The height of style, could you say? 1958. Amazing dash, amazing front end, back end, tail lights, the window lines. It's such a stylish car. The radio works in this car.
Their head coach, Hugh Freeze.
We are clock equipped over here. Just a perfect rumble coming out the back. Luxurious ride. Strong acceleration. Very comfortable bench seats in this car. Speedometer showing 50 miles an hour. The oil pressure up on the top of the gauge. And good high oil pressure is a good thing. The generator right in the middle of the gauge. The temperature right in the middle of that gauge. And we are in drive on the automatic right here on the column. Horn working as it should. Beneath the dash is a set of vents, and it has its own blower motor, its own directional for heating and cooling. It's kind of like a modern car. Only slight wind noise on this windy day in Minnesota. Amazingly quiet for the age of this car. And what I would say is a beautifully restored looking car all around. The lighter matching the ashtray right here, circular design. Over on the right, another ashtray for the passenger. A little bit of vibration in the brakes on this car, but brakes are effective. Again, very nice throttle response and acceleration. Excellent power steering. Corners luxuriously the way a 1958 Pontiac Bonneville should. Kicking down the automatic transmission, it does so properly. Just a beautiful car inside and out. Take a look at all the pictures of this 58 Bonneville at uniqueclassiccars.com.